Hey guys, I forgot to go over a couple problems with you that just came to mind. So I was going to see if I can do that with you. Go ahead and see what's going on here. Okay, so I forgot about the trapezoid, but before we go on to the trapezoid, let's revisit the rhombi and the kites. So on the rhombus and the kites, we had area equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Now, I showed you an example where they give you the full diagonal, but let's look at an example maybe where they don't. So let's say this is a rhombus, and they say this might be 2 inches, and this one here might be 1 inch. Okay, because they don't have any included marks here, they mean that from the top down to the center is 2 inches, and from the corner to the center is 1 inch. So when you do this formula, you have to double that. So this full diagonal is 4, 2 plus 2, and this full diagonal is 2, 1 plus 1. So just wanted to remind you to look for those when you're coming across the rhombus and the kite. Okay, and then with the kite, you have a longer side to that. Okay, so they'll probably give you more information here. So they might say this is 2 inches. This might be 1 inch. This one here could be 6 inches. Okay, so on a kite, it's kind of symmetric here. So if this is 1 inch, the other side is 1 inch. Okay, this is not the case. This little segment's 2 inches and this one's 6. Okay, so if you do this formula, one diagonal, if you go straight down the middle, is 2 and 6. If you add that together, you get 8. And then here, 1 and 1 makes 2. Okay, so just doing this calculation in my head here should give me an area for those. Okay, so just wanted to remind you of that. And then the one that I left out was trapezoid. I don't know why I forgot that one, but I did. Okay, so a trapezoid has one pair of parallel bases. And there's different types. There's right trapezoids, isosceles trapezoids, just regular trapezoid. Okay, but they all have the same formula. 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. So your bases are here. This could be like base 1, base 2. They should show you a height down the middle. So that could be your height. Okay, so for on this one, if we're doing this example, maybe base 1 is 10 inches. Base 2 could be 8. And maybe the height might be 3. So that would be this. 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So that gives me 18. Half of 18 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so I didn't want to leave you high and dry with the trapezoid, or if you had two double diagonals, 2 and 2 makes 4, 1 and 1 makes 2. And on the kite, 2 and 6 makes 8, 1 and 1 made 2. So there's some more examples to get you through this assignment. If you have any problems, just send me a message. Have a good evening, guys. Bye.